guys! So since today is Face-to-Face Friday, I thought I would do a little video showing you how to start a group video call on Facebook. There are so many things about Facebook that I've just learnt this week, so I thought it might be helpful to share some of that so that you guys can try it too. Okay, so firstly we open up the conversation with the person we want to video call. So I'm going to click on Andrew here, and then there's a little symbol here which has a little camera. I'm pointing to it now, and it says start a video chat with Andrew. So I'm going to click that. Now let's see if Andrew will answer.
That's me, I've got my coffee and guys, that went fine.
Hello Andrew!
I've got everything happy because you're up so close this time.
Yeah, I know. Maybe you need to move the camera back a bit.
Have we got to do your magic and get a get together person to join us?
Exactly, yep. So I'm doing a tutorial. So I'm just going to talk through how I'm going to add an extra person. Okay, so to the left of the red button, which you would click on to end the call, there's this icon, and that's for add group member. So I'm going to click that, and I am going to add Lauren, and I'm also going to add DJ Hot Wheels, and then I'm going to click ring here. Okay, so let's see if they can join us. Let's try. Oh, hey!
Superstar. Stefan, do you see me? And do you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Hey, how are you, Stefan?
You know
How
better
do you
than
feel
that.
bad yourself?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. I'm good.
Superstar.
Oh, amazing. So now we have 3 of us. Let's see if we can add someone else. So Lauren. Oh, we have Lauren too now. Hi, Lauren.
Hi, babe.
How are you?
Hi, Bunch. How are you?
Yeah, I'm not bad, thanks. Oh, this is brilliant. Look at us. 4 of us in a chat.
Oh, hi then.
It's a group call. It's a group.
Is it just Messenger?
Yeah, this is on
I
Messenger.
didn't know in my whole life you could do that. Alright.
I know, isn't it brilliant? We're all learning these things about Facebook. I know.
How many people can you get? I didn't know in my whole life you could do that.
I know. Well, should we try and add Rosie? Let's see who else is here.
Hi then.
Let's try and get 9 people.
Andrew, turn your volume up a bit.
My name's Nick.
Whoa.
This is brilliant. Okay.
Okay.
I'll go nearer you. Hope.
Right, now.
Oh, hey! This is amazing.
How are you doing? Alright, how are you, man? Good. Got a cup of tea. I'm well.
I've got coffee as well. How many hundreds?
Got the
do you get?
coffee.
Yay!
Hey,
Oh,
here's your-
I don't have a cup of tea. All I've got is a teapot.
Oh,
Ta-da!
darling. What a shame.
I know. I
I've
need
got
a cup.
pictures at the back.
This is good, guys. This is good.
I've got flavoured water, look.
Oh, nice. You're living the life.
Okay, yeah. So how many people can we get on
that
now?
whole team in there, eh?
6, I think.
Shall we try for 6 people? Shall we try adding another one? Okay.
Why not?
Does it no overload? I didn't even know you could do this. I thought it was going to be a lot harder, Ben.
I know, isn't it brilliant?
What about
The
Katrina?
5 and Andrew.
What?
Quite easy as well, isn't it? Are you liking it with 5 or are you wanting 6?
I've just tried to add Katrina. Oh, hey Katrina!
Go for the
How are you?
Go for the Guinness Book of Records.
Who's that behind you, Katrina? Is it?
Everyone wait, I'm going to take a screenshot and send it to Moitster.
Hold on there.
Is Moisa still on holiday?
Yeah, she's on holiday.
Oh, she'd get annoyed if you ring her. She'd get very annoyed.
Screenshot will be fine. How are you, Katrina? Oh, there's Keith. Hi.
Hi, Keith.
Hey. This is brilliant.
Ben,
Wow.
what's the record? I didn't even know you could do this. What's the record?
I think it's just
I did it again.
You can get 16 with they're really small.
Let's see. Will I try adding someone else?
Try
Well,
Keith.
name some people.
Let's see
Isn't
who
it
else is
crazy?
online. Should we try Justin?
You didn't even know you can do this.
I didn't know you could do this.
It's better
Use
than
all
the ones
new.
that can- it's better than the ones
Neither
that
can
can
I,
We're all learning. We're all becoming Facebook masters. So can everyone wave at the same time and then we can...
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, hey!
Hello.
Hello! Yay. Hi, Sonia. Good, how are you?
Is everybody feeling alright though?
Yeah.
I'm good, yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
Dave. Right, Andrew.
Well, how can I
Woo!
Just keep the picture.
Sonia,
Oh, you can't send me the screenshot. I can't believe we're all on the same screen.
No, it's amazing. Oh, there's Keith. Hi, Keith.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, so hopefully that's given you a good idea of how to start your own group video chat. So yeah, give it a go. See what you can do. We're all learning, and yeah, have a nice Friday, guys. Bye.